Hey everyone, TJ here. I just want to make a real quick video on using const read-only strings. It's something I picked up reading the Effective C++ series by Scott Myers, and I've kind of taken the concept and moved it over to my Unity C# code. Uh, when you're using it, it makes catching the logic errors for hard-coded strings and just throughout your code. If you use hard-coded strings and replace it with this method, you'll catch the misspellings at compile time rather than down the road and it flying under the radar. And all of your strings will be in one spot. So let's get started and I can show you how to do it. All right, so here's some code that I've got. I call this my JSON string file, and the way it's set up is we have these public const strings, and what this does is it makes all of the strings public so any file can see them, and the const prevents them from being changed once you initialize them. So for example, with English here, this is for the language system that I am starting to work on. The way it works is when we declare English with this string right here as lowercase English, it replaces every single instance of lowercase English throughout the file, and all we have to do is call JSON string dot English. An example of this would be in my menu text loader here. You can see here on line 29 where we set language, we're just calling JSON string dot English. And I don't have to worry about a misspelling if I'm changing languages, and I can verify that a language is correct in the JSON file I'm using to store all of the any language menu data or scripts or whatever in the game. I hope this helps. It's just a nice little trick to have in your toolbox, and that should do it. If it did help, drop a comment down below, let me know. And like is always appreciated if it actually helped out. Until next time, I'll see you then. Happy coding. TJ out.